Have you ever felt stuck? Just drifting in that quiet kind of ennui, where everything moves, but nothing feels like it's going anywhere. Like a sound you keep repeating, unsure if you ever really liked it.
Ordinary joy is not a lack of pain. It is. It's soft answer. Baudelaire once wrote, "One must be drunk at all times, on wine, on poetry, or on virtue, as you wish." That is your job, Suleiman. Find your wine. Record what moves you. So, for your project, your task is to record life, not noise. You're not collecting sounds. You are collecting truths.
Basta kung may quotable po sa emergency.
Ayan ha, hindi nakikinig. He already did. Kanina pa.
This will determine not just your grade, but how you view the world around you. If you have
Enregistre même pas ce que tu entends, mais ce que tu ressens.
So, gamitin itong recorder ko. Meron na daw si Tia yun na yung gagamitin namin para sa...
So, dala na mga tulong
Una na kami, Clar.
magsisimula na kayo agad?
May naisip na daw siya eh. Pwede siya.
Doon talaga,
Wow.
Baliw, goodbye.
Uy, Clara, ano? Je m'appelle Soleil. My name's Soleil.
Yeah, I know basic French.
Perfect! Hindi natin kailangan ng subtitle.
This is not just recording noise. It's about recording the mood, memory, and presence. It's an act of listening not only to the world, but to yourself. Do not overthink this. The city is already speaking. Your job is just to notice it.
Where can we continue?
I usually plan my routes before walking.
That sounds very organized. Gusto mo something sponty?
La ville parle à travers ce qu'on oublie de remarquer.
Gising na ang mundo, Zeppelin sa radyo. Inaantok pa uwing nagmamaneho. Lubog sa kalye, hindi na bale. Speed limit ay para sa matandang alin.
You think life's supposed to feel easy? Huh? Sabi ko, do you think life should feel like this? Like, super sikip, ang init, you barely have space to breathe. But you squeeze in yourself anyway. Kasi kung hindi, baka maiwan ka.
Well, that's Metro Manila for you.
Medyo nakakatakot pa rin to get on the ride most days, no?
Nanti na nato akong sister balamag mo. No care po, actually, alam ako.
Amura ka?
Our nature consists in movement. Absolute rest is death.
Blaise Pascal. Kumbaga, ang buhay natin ay gaya ng pag-ibig. Dahil ito ay mapagpalaya, ang umibig ay pakikiba.
Right? Pero I think it's not just about pag-ibig. It's about showing up for something. Kahit ang sikip, kahit ang gulo.
Pero, do you think everyone will be that brave?
You got in the jeep.
Je suis le son, même si tu ne sais pas où elle mène.
Yeah, I talked to mom again after we had this.
I bought your favorite.
Tuwing wala lang di maipakita ang muka, naririnig ang iyong hikbi. Wala lang ba talaga? Di mo naman sinasabi. Parang di ako kasali. Nagtago ka lang sa iyong unang bahagi ng iyong kumot. Ang
You know, my mom used to bake.
Really? Masarap siguro gawa ng mama mo.
I wish I could tell, but yun lang yung sinabi sa akin ni Papa na she loves to cook.
Je suis né d'une voix que je n'ai jamais pu entendre.
Ano? Ano? Sige, wait lang.
Kanina ko pa hinahanap yung wallet ko eh. I know it's just here somewhere.
Lang. Okay, tara na.
Sige na, tara na.
Hey!
I laid my heart open to the benign indifference of the universe.
Do you ever feel like you're just watching your own life?
Sometimes, like, I'm there, but not really.
Mga kamay na binalot sa likod mo, sa pagpatong ng ulo sa balikat mo. Alam kong nagka-uwi na ako.
Le monde peut être indifférent, mais mon écoute ne l'est pas.
I used to think God hated me for what I felt. You still think that?
Ano to? Kailan pa? Ano? Wala. Di ka sasagot?
Ate, magkaibigan lang naman ata eh.
Magkaibigan ba yan?
Ate, saglit lang. Kausapin muna natin ng maayos.
If a man has sexual relations with a man as one does with a woman, both of them have done what is detestable. They are to be put to death. Their blood will be on their own heads.
I'm learning it.
You know, in France we have a word frisson. It means that cold shiver you feel when something moves you. That's how I feel around you.
J'ai pas fait une cour de bruit, mais je commence à entendre au travers.
You think clouds ever get bored of floating?
That's what you were thinking?
Either that or my thesis. What's the quietest sound you've ever heard?
Hello? Hello? Nasaan ka? Ano nangyari daw sa inyo? Kanina ka pa sa akin hinahanap ni tita. What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again?
Ayoko muna dun, Clara. I wanna be alone. I wanna be somewhere na hindi nila ako makokontrol.
Pero gabing-gabi na. Dito ka na lang sa amin.
It's okay, you don't have...
Hello?
And then it went quiet.
Certaines absences sont plus fortes que n'importe quel son.
Bibili ba tayo ng drinks or magsasettle na lang sa emotional at mental security of knowing na may pang jeep pa ako?
Wait. Meron na lang ako 23 pesos.
Ako? May 20. Okay na to. Do you think you could fall in love at 7-Eleven?
Ayun ako. Ay, nga pala, nasimulan ko na yung pag-edit. Baka bukas, tapos na yung outfit natin.
Uy, pa talaga. Magkakaalaman tayo. Bukas?
Peut-être que je ne voulais plus écouter toute seule.
Aga mo naman dito.
I wanted to hear it without thinking anyone else was listening.
Were we brave?
We were honest. Cette fois, j'ai laissé honorer l'ouvert.
Kung pahintulutan mo ako, ipagkatiwala ko sana sa'yo ang puso ko.
Qu'est-ce que tu entends maintenant? Everything I thought I'd never get back.
Alamat lang ba ang pahinga ng dalawang puyat sa
La vie s'entend dans les choses les plus simples.
pira-piraso?
J'ai appris que les tomates pouvaient chanter doucement.
Nagtatanong,
Il y a des silences qui ne demandent pas de réponse.
sagot ay di
Même dans la fond, on peut entendre le rire.
sapat na sa
L'absence aussi, la son écoute.
ka, paumanhin,
Il faut parfois écouter le vide.
paumanhin.
Les silences qu'on partage peut être plus fort que le bruit qu'on fuit. Le silence aussi peut être un langage. J'ai peur, mais mon cœur. Or was she?
Pakilala ko sana sa'yo ang